a little bit earlier.
I did. I actually took a long walk, walked the baby and the dog at the same time.
Before or after the rain?
Oh, no, it was before the rain.
Good for you. I got stuck in the middle of the rain, Kevin, and it was like a faucet just turned on.
Told you. Told you it was going to rain tonight. You got to listen to me when I tell you these things.
I know, but
Mark.
not that quickly.
Do you remember? Well, it was much worse. It's just 6 years ago, 7 years ago now. 2005, 22.5 inches at Logan Airport. That was a record, but over 3 feet of snow in many towns. Here's what it looked like way back then. Do you remember what snow looks like when it comes down this hard, this heavily in 1-2 days in the Boston area? Boy, we haven't seen this in quite some time. Certainly not this year. Although last year we did have some snowstorms. This one was one for the record books. Both the dates, the 23rd and 24th of January, were record snowfall dates. 9.1 inches on the 23rd and 13.4 inches on the 24th. It turned out that there was a Patriots game that weekend, much like we've been seeing recently. So there were a lot of people who stayed indoors and didn't venture out. Plus, it happened on the weekend, so it stopped people from getting stranded like you would have seen, say, in a blizzard of 78. So an incredible snowstorm. By the way, over 38 inches in some towns, over 3 feet. I know 33 feet is 36 inches, but some towns had over 38 inches of snow from that same storm. Pretty amazing, and nothing like what we're seeing this year. After all, 2.9 inches this weekend, 7.6 the total so far this season. The average snowfall, 19.7 to this point. We're well below. Last year, we had nearly 50 inches already in Boston. What an incredible difference. And tonight, it's the warm temperatures we're talking about. It's 45 degrees. This is the live picture from our downtown studio at Beacon Hill. And clearly you can see the fog that's rolled overhead. So we're not seeing the city skyline, unfortunately, which is usually very pretty in this picture. But I wanted to show you that fog that has settled in over Boston. Now, because of the foggy conditions, there was a dense fog advisory until 1 o'clock in the morning. All of these areas here. That's the South Shore, out to Cape Cod, the Iowans, all of Rhode Island, the south coast of Massachusetts. But when I show you the visibilities, they're all below 1 mile. It's zero showing that it's below 1 mile. Might be a quarter, might be a half mile. But really, when we slide up here, Boston's the same way, even though we're not included in the dense fog advisory officially. Worcester, Nashua, just about all of eastern Massachusetts seeing at least some areas where there's some dense fog. Got to be careful late tonight and first thing in the morning. Also here in pink, that's a freezing rain advisory. The friends of ours in New Hampshire. Now it's not in Massachusetts anymore. It's been canceled there. But in New Hampshire, temperatures are still very close to freezing in pockets up in southwest New Hampshire. Nashua is up to 34 now, so the danger is gone. Just some pockets of pink here and there for some freezing temperatures. Some heavier rain showers along the Mass Pike going toward Newton right now. And then out in Cape Cod, some of the heavier downpours that are happening too right along Route 6. This rain pushing on by and things are looking better now. In fact, the end of the rain is right back in here. So things are looking good for tomorrow. This rain will be gone. It'll be back to some sunshine for us tomorrow, and temperatures up near 50. 47 for a high tomorrow, still 41 Wednesday. Next shot for any precipitation looks to be Friday. That could start out as a mix early on before turning over to rain in the mild temperatures, guys.
All right, Kevin, thank you. Students at Penn State are coming together again this